more than 5 in a room.
So basically, the only time you want to be loud is to save yourself the next round.
Yeah, I don't know if it's worth it.
I don't either, because if you get voted out,
Yeah, I wouldn't want
right? It's
like if that's the thing is like if I vote for you and I'm loud about it and then you are the one that gets voted out, there now you're gonna know who voted for
but
you.
and then you've wasted that loud because
Yeah,
you're
you're like,
eliminated.
well, I'm gonna vote
Can't
out
be saved in the
Jessica
next
because
one
she
anyway,
voted for
right?
me. Yeah.
But you'd already be out, because if you are allowed vote and then you subsequently get eliminated, being allowed vote saves you from the next round. So if you get
Mhm.
eliminated now with a loud vote, it's a waste because you're not safe the next round.
Yeah.
And then if you're allowed vote and you stay in and the person that you voted for stays in, you put a target on your back.
Yeah, it's not worth it to me.
No.
Who do you want to vote for?
I don't know. Not Chell.
No.
Who's left? Jonathan, Tina,
I don't trust that
Patrice.
room of David, Jonathan, and Tina.
I know.
That's where my vote would go, though.
Jonathan and Tina are going to stick together no matter what.
Mm.
I feel.
I wonder if we vote for Jonathan.
Quietly.
Yeah. That's where I'm gonna lean right now because he's a strong player.
He is a strong player and he's super competitive.
Yeah.
And I feel like he'll put a loud vote to save himself for the next round.
Yeah. I'm gonna see what the red room's saying.
Okay. I'll stay here and then catch anything and then